Here's what you can do if you have issues with connecting to Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. So the first thing that we can do is open settings. Of course, we're gonna go to connections over here, and if you do so, then you should be able to find Wi-Fi. But before we actually go to Wi-Fi, make sure that the airplane mode is not enabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and of course we might not even be aware of that, so make sure that the airplane mode is off. Besides that, of course, we can just simply turn off and turn on Wi-Fi again, just to refresh the Wi-Fi feature, of course. You can also tap on the Wi-Fi itself in order to try to go to settings of your Wi-Fi network. If you are connected, then you can immediately try to check if the connection is actually working, if you have access to the internet. But on the other hand, what you can also do is once you go to the settings of the Wi-Fi network, you can make sure that automatic reconnect is enabled. So this is especially useful when you get disconnected from your Wi-Fi pretty much quite often. So at least you know that your tablet can try to reconnect after that. And besides that, what you can also do, if that didn't help or if you have other issues, is you can forget the connection completely and try to connect again. And in case you cannot really find your network in here, not in current network or in available networks, then in that case you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner. Then we can go to advanced settings, and you should be able to find manage networks, and in here you should be able to select the network and forget it as well. At the bottom we have the delete option. Now, besides that, if none of this actually helped, if you reconnected after that and it still doesn't help, it still doesn't work, then in that case we can scroll down in settings and go to general management. There we go. And then we want to choose reset. And over here you should be able to find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So unfortunately we cannot separate these two things. If you reset Wi-Fi, you will also reset Bluetooth, so you will have to connect to your Bluetooth devices as well. So keep that in mind. So tap on the reset settings button, go back to the Wi-Fi to connections over here, and just try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. And hopefully this time you will be able to properly connect to your network. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.